All the boys of standard 10th A. In chapter number 4, last period, we learned regarding diversity, biotic factor and abiotic factor. And also we learn a story of little man. That is the big story of little man. When any person kept in mind to do any work, and this work is remembered not only that village, state, but also our country will remember that the work of that person. And this work is honored by the central government by rewarding the greatest reward of our country, that is Padma Shri, to Yadav Molai. And this jungle is now known as the Molai jungle. एखाद्या व्यक्तीनं एखादं मोठं काम केलं की ते गावच नाही, राज्य नाही, तर संपूर्ण देश त्याला गौरवतो. आणि हे गौरवत असताना त्या छोट्याशा आसाममधल्या त्या व्यक्तीला भारत सरकारनं आपल्या देशाचा मानाचा असणारा पद्मश्री पुरस्कार देऊन त्यांना गौरवण्यात आलं. आणि तो आज ते जंगल जे आहे मोलाई जंगल म्हणून आज ओळखलं जातं. नाउ टुडे बॉयज अँड गर्ल्स, in chapter number 4, environmental management, we are learning regarding environmental conservation and biodiversity. What is diversity? You know, in our area, number of animals and number of plants are disappearing. We are not seeing some animals and some plants around our area. Why? This is very harmful to our nature and dangerous to the plant and animals, that is living organism. What is diversity? This is biodiversity means this is the richness of living organisms in the nature in the presence of various same species and different species in ecosystem. There is genetic variation with the species, and this is biodiversity is of 3 types. आपल्या आजूबाजूला एकाच प्रजातीच्या किंवा भिन्न प्रजातीच्या प्राणी आणि वनस्पती यांच्या जाती आढळून येतात. त्याच्यामधले अनुवंशिक गुणधर्म आपल्याला वेगवेगळे दिसून येतात. आणि हे आपल्या आजूबाजूला या प्राण्यांच्या मध्ये आणि वनस्पतीच्या मध्ये जे वेगळेपणा आढळून येतो त्याला बायोडायव्हर्सिटी, जैवविविधता असं म्हटलं जातं. Boys and girls, there are mainly 3 types of biodiversity. That is genetic biodiversity, means अनुवंशिक जैवविविधता. You know that in chapter number 3, heredity and evolution, and you know that the symptoms are transferred from one generation to another generation, and this is called as heredity. And due to this heredity, the figure, nature, color, habit, and the structure of plants and animals, these properties, these symptoms are carried from one generation to another generation with the help of chromosome. It is heredity, and this is called as genetic symptom. And this symptom is carried from one generation to another generation. For example, that is the human, his grandfather, his past grandfather, your father, you, and if you are married and you have some sons and daughters, the structure, nature, color, and other symptoms are as like to your generation. But each man is different from other man. मातापित्यामध्ये लक्षणं जशीच्या तशी अपत्यामध्ये आणण्याचं काम क्रोमोझोम करतात. या पृथ्वी तलावरती प्रत्येक माणूस दुसऱ्यापेक्षा वेगळा आहे. आपल्यासारखा या जगामध्ये दुसरा कोणीही नाही. जे दोन सयामी असतात, जे जुळं असतात, जुळ्या मुली असतील, जुळे मुलगे असतील, ते देखील एक सारखे नाही. Because their habit are different, their color are different, their face is looking like same, but this is different. The small lines of hand are different. The length of finger, length of hand, legs are different, not as the same. But this is look like same, but it is not same. Then another one is species. You know that in our world there are number of species of plant and animals. या जगामध्ये वनस्पती आणि प्राणी यांच्या भरपूर प्रजाती आहेत. आणि प्रत्येक प्रजाती ही स्वतःचं अस्तित्व टिकवून ठेवण्याकरता प्रयत्न केले. Every species is trying to live their species on the earth.